Hello everybody and welcome to another update video on gold. We're currently testing resistance. The situation overall hasn't really changed much. The price has given us a first small pullback from this week's high. Or was it actually last week's high? It was here from the $3,825 level on Tuesday. So we have a pullback, but the pullback is a three-wave decline. So we have a three-wave move down, and currently the market seems to be moving in a sideways consolidation. We're currently stuck below resistance. The initial resistance area is between $3,779 and $3,809. So a break above it might already indicate that we're getting one more upside extension in a still unfolding wave 1. Which could lead to a wave 2 pullback. But we're not there yet, or a wave 3. Again, the trend is still up. The overall trend is still up, so we're overall looking for higher prices. Just pointing out here, due to the depth of the pullback and for risk management purposes, it can make sense to consider the potential for a pullback. It would be due, needless to say that this entire rally is overextended. So a pullback is due, and it will happen, but the question is, will it happen now? And that's exactly the purpose of that signal line we talked about in the previous video updates here. $3,742 is the 50% retracement of the last rally, which started here on the 18th of September. And without a break, even below the 50% retracement, there is absolutely no evidence that we have really topped. And especially if the pullback from the high this week is a three-wave move down. So I cannot rule out further upside from here, but obviously I'm considering that this might turn into a larger correction. If it does, then we would need to see a breakdown below the $3,742 level. Then the focus can shift to the first support area. Between the 100% extension there in the blue zone and the 161.8 extension, as you can see here, this is between the area $3,718 to $3,673. Now, again, to confirm that, I need to really see a break below that 50% retracement, because as long as we're holding above that, we don't even have any sign that this pullback is more than just a small corrective pullback in an uptrend that's still unfolding from last week's low. So that should give you the key levels. If we then reach this zone, we can watch for a bounce. That might be a bounce in a B wave in our orange scenario, which could lead to an even larger wave 2 correction. Again, all of that is still bullish. Just an opportunity in an uptrend, And it could also be a wave 4 corrective pullback, which might directly go higher. So I think at the moment, we don't even have a break of this local uptrend. If we get a break of this local uptrend through a break below our signal line, then this here would be the next support zone to watch. But we're not even there yet. And at the moment, there is no clear rejection yet from our resistance area. So that should give you all the levels for today. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you want to get, additional updates on gold, silver, please consider our stocks membership, where we also cover gold, silver, but also the S&P, the Nasdaq, and many other stocks. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.